Uh, Now, very good morning to all. Today we will start on the session from uh, the company creation part. Last week we complete on the company creation part by using the certificate case study tutorial. Uh, Now look at this. Company creation tutorial already we completed with the case study component. In this case study, we will discuss about the scenarios. Mr. Kasun and Priyanta, they are the friends of from the long being. So together with the Kasun and the Priyanta, undertake the land from the government and promoting cricket club and facilities to the young players to playing games and getting on a training and all. So this case study we were discussed by using the company name called Cricket Club Private Limited. Uh, they started their business on the 20th period and get the web registration and start the bank account in the Sampath Bank and get the bank loan and start the process of the business with the check account. These are the necessary detail for company creation part. The already this company creation part in the last week video clip. If you have any issues regarding company creation, you have to be go through this company creation part in the LMS, the video. The everybody's have to be create your own company. When you while you create the company, you have to be in your mind, student. The thing is that still 8:30, less than half the students were attend on the class. So you try to understand if you are coming on late. Don't know due to the your class leader informed me due to the traveling issues and some of them are come little bit far away. So at the end, what will happen? You are not in a positions to complete the databases. In these databases, continue from last week. Actually, started on the last week. It will continue for the next 6 weeks. That means week number 6 or 7, we will continue the same databases by using the different information and data and setting part. That the week number 6, we will conduct your mid-semester examination. This mid-semester examination, we will test it on the same company detail given by the paper. Listen very carefully. Continue the transaction and some information given to this particular company and assess your knowledge. So every students have to create this certificate private limited, but actually in that last week I told you not given by the certificate, no, given by your registration number. At the end, we will take your backup file. The each work we will evaluate it by week and allocating a mark for your continuous assessment. Already I upload the continuous assessment detail to your LMS. Everybody is have responsible to refer this detail. Okay. Keep on your mind and inform to the absent people and the latecomers. Go through this detail in the LMS. Instead to Sapricat Club, we were given on your registration number. If you have any issues regarding company creation, you go to the LMS chapter number 1. The company creation details are there. Select new company or the create new company option. Create the new company from the MyOB ERP application. How to create new company? All the necessary information details are given on the tutorial, lecture material. How you select the current financial year? What is your last month of financial year? And your conversion month? You have to be searched and completed by this detail. This is the first wizard and window when you are going to start the company creation part. There are 4 or 5 options available in here. Open company option, create company, sample company, the new version. Actually will not deal with that part. The existing version we will use, and the exit option. From this file manager or file assistant window, you have to be complete the different forms and the details. After when you completed on the company creation part, click on next. Actually company creation means company detail, like this. These are the company detail here. Company name, instead to Sapricat Private Limited, you have to be given on your company name by your registration number. The registration detail and address detail. You have to be get the login detail from the IT division, and the address detail, contact detail, and look at important detail we selected for the financial year 2023-24 year. Last month of financial year 24 March. 24 March. The conversion month we selected on 23 April. The conversion month means the company opening balances have to be brought forward and taken into your accounts at the date of this month, 1st April. The most probably Sri Lankan account, the accountant prepared on their financial statement for the 12-month period. These are the basic details completed on the company creation part. After complete by basic and necessary detail, you are getting on this window. Your current financial year 23 or 24, actually here 24, you get on the 24. Last month March and conversion month April, and 12-month period. Then actually this is the tutorial in the previous class. 22-23 financial year, they selected for their practicing purpose. In your case, 23-24 period. Then here, account list option, chart of account listed. We select on not by the option number 1. Option number 1 means the sample chart of account will be provided by the MyOB application. We select on the third option. I would like to build on chart of account. Third option. Because other necessary details are there. In this class activity, we selected on the third application. Create the chart of accounts by you. From here, very important point. Still people are opening computers. Here, click on change option. Keep on your mind. Change option. Right here, change option. Then go to the inside of this software. Select the data folder. Inside the data folder, you have to be save your data file, your information file. Then other details are there. Then you are getting on the opening window. Opening window on Mayo. Look at this basic, the details are there. How you create that part will be discussed today. Right. Let's move into the today's discussion. Right. From here, click on your MyOB application. Then the system asks your username, user ID and the password. Given your user ID and the password, select either multi-user or the single user. Then click OK. Click OK again. Then you open the MyOB opening or welcome window. Have you gotten this window? Right. Then click on here open option. Open. This is your company file. You get here file type PRM type. PRM type. Select your company from the list. Okay. Click open. Open. Then the system asks the username and password. Okay. If you got on this message, Lamai, listen and look at the screen. Not registered by you, click on enter later. Register later. Okay. Here, in the future, do not show this message. Yes. Click on here. If you cancel, you do not wish to continue, click OK. No error file. Open. No error file. Open. If you have any doubt regarding your database, click on cancel option. Then system will not be checked on your error file. Will not be checked on your error file. Now look at here in the screen, the top, it displays your company name given by you. Right. Open by all. Go to open option. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. One. Okay, okay. Then you click on cancel option. Check the login. And मेरा check आता है मेरा ये detail तो मैं view कराने Open it. If you have any issues regarding the company creation, I'm logging. No, I think this is a direct login. They send a link. This is a portal. I think this is use the chat portal. Right. It's okay. Right. Now we have completed on the company creation part. Hello, Farhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But
And
I cannot open my backup file. I'm trying to open my backup file. I could not open it that one. Last month.
First you log into the MyOB application.
Yeah, I log it that one, sir. But I could not able to open that one. My
I
EX.
think I think you are saved your backup file in the data folder.
Yeah, I saved it, but I could not.
Check check, check on here backup file again. Yeah, there are different folders now. Click on backup folder. Check your backup file is there under the backup folder.
Backup.
And Anupam, how about you? Hello, Anupam. And in fast. Open the location. Where are you backup is for where are you logging in as again? Give the your registration number. Not yes. No. Give the your registration number. Company name. Don't give the certificate. How I take the backup file from the different student by the same name? Imagine you put them there. Our company is 23 17B. Do not give the certificate. Yes, your certificate. Give the your registration number as your company name. Certificate. Give the your company name, your registration number. Yes, last month March, April, yes. Check the answer video. March to April in the next year. This is the online software. You have to be complete the balance part at your home. You don't come lectures on after 1 week. You have to be practice at your home. You can't take and you can't deal with others' details. Only you can access to your database. Right. Now complete a student. Right. Click on account option. This is the accounting modules. Accounts option. From the accounts, click on account list. Account list. Account list. There are different elements of accounts. The first element, asset type account. This important account already created by the system. What are the important accounts? You get your first header account and the detail accounts. Lamai, listen very carefully. First one, general check account by your main bank account. Your temporary account for undeposited fund account. Electronic clearing account, payroll check account. And trade debtors. All are link accounts. Look at this screen very carefully. In the asterisk mark, the link account. Link means integrated with the any other account. Okay, debtors or trade debtors are integrated with the sale account and the stock account. Check account integrated with the supplier and the customer, the payment. The important few accounts already given in this package. Actually, all the packages will be provided by the integrated account. Carefully you handle this important integrated account. Only you can chances to edit this account. You can't delete this account. Very important point. Click on liability. In the liability section also given the important account. Trade creditors integrated and payroll liability is integrated. In commonly those accounts used by the companies. Actually, this will not applicable to the Sri Lankan context. ABN withholding payable. Sri Lanka having a withholding payable account, no? Equity. Retained earning integrated. Current earning mean last year brought forward to this year and this financial year earnings. Historical balances mean beginning balances. Income. Study the section by section. Only header account created by the income, by the system. Cost of sales. If If your system drop, look at here. Again, you have to be logging the system by beginning. Look at here. That is a little bit dangerous scenarios in the cloud ERP. Expense. Two integration account are there. Salary and wages, employment expenses, other income, and other expenses. These are the basic elements of financial statement. No? In each element, we have to be read the separate accounts, ledger accounts for belonging to the asset, liability, income, like this. Right. Today our purpose and task to develop a new ledger account. Develop a nominal ledger account, general ledger account for this your company. Right now, just you open this tutorial. I think already I informed you this tutorial. Taken on this tutorial. The tutorial called SAP Cricket Club Private Limited profit and loss statement and the balance sheet or the financial position statement. Account list in the tutorial, rename on account list. Better you have to take the photocopies. Otherwise, difficult to handle the system by the soft copies and the look at the soft copy and the maintain the software. Right. First, I start from this item from the income statement. From the income statement. Here separate code in there. Code number 4 used for the income statement item, income item. The 4 zeros by the header account. There are two types of accounts, header account and the detail account. Header account is a getting on the heads, getting a subtotal on the individual items to here, main income. We call header account. Under the main income, another sub-header account, 4,000 cricket income. These are the main cricket income, detail account, ledger account, equipment sale income, cricket lesson income, ground fees, repair fees, equipment hire income. Got this point? These are the major revenue items by your P&L, profit and loss statement. Right. First we'll create by our first header account. Go to the income section. Income section. Four zeros. Income. Look at here. Type, header type. Header type. Number 2. $4-1,000. Cricket income. New header account. Click on here, income section. Click on new accounts, new function, new, here. Click new. The three things are there. Header type, look at a non-postable, your accounting student. Non-postable mean you can't record the transaction for this label item account. So automatically the values are taken to this account. We call non-postable header account. Select here header account non-postable. Look at here. If you select here detailed account, active and inactive functions are there. I think all of you are working in the industry. If you select on the header account, either no active or inactive, then automatically it will display. Select header account, click on this arrow. These are the elements, component. Select here income type under the account classification. Automatically taken on the account classification by the code in by 4. Give the account name here, ID here 1000. Then the account name cricket income. Cricket income. Sorry? It will not display. Then click on your mouse point here, then click the tab button. Tab. Then display new account name. Cricket income. Click again a tab button. Tab. Then look at here. When reporting, generate a subtotal for this section. Is it required? No. Is it required? Getting on the total income. Click tick mark. Yes. Getting on the subtotal on this section in your financial statement. Okay. Right. Look at here. First level account and the second level account. There are levels. Level 1 and level 2. Both header. Then third one. 4-1001. Look at the tutorial. Otherwise, you have to go to the tutorial in the again from here and go to the software again. Little bit confused. Click on new detail account. Look at here postable. Postable. 1100. Click on tab equipment sale income. Equipment sales income. No beginning balances on the P&L at the first date. No, in the beginning of the year, no balances for equipment sale income for beginning. Right. Equipment sale income. Look at the tutorial. This income liable for paying on VAT. This income liable to pay on VAT. Student, this module highly practical. This is very easy to you because of that you are an industry student. This income liable to pay on VAT. So you have to be add on the VAT here, the VAT component. But unfortunately, VAT component are not in there because of that. the different rate used by their countries, no? Right. For that moment, select a 0% not reportable, click on cancel, OK. Create the third account. Look at the level 1, look at the screen. Level 2, level 3. First level account, second level account, and the detail in the third level. Right. Then, now we will go to the tax setting part. Okay. Open your tutorial and note it down. Setting on value added tax. Sales tax setting part. Already you opened the Word document in the folder, your own folder. Then note down this detail. How to set in non-sales taxes. How to set in non-sales taxes. Right. Look at the part. In your screen, look at your file, edit, list. Click on list option. List option. Under the list option, tax code option. Tax codes. Select tax code. Student, you can create the VAT account separately by here click on the new option, or you can edit it on the existing taxes. Look at a very similar account in the system, goods and service tax. Similar to the VAT, no? Select on goods and service tax. Fifth one. Goods and service tax. Click on here, edit option. Edit. Here, edit option. Edit option. Now tax code GST, change the tax code VAT, value added tax, VAT. Okay, tab button. Then system indicate a new tax code will be replaced all tax code of existing invoices. Have you agreed? Click OK. Understand the command. Description, value added tax. Value added tax. Description. Tax type, goods and service. Understood? The taxes are calculated either goods sale or service supply. But you have to be changed here rate by 18%. 18%. Click again tab. The change in the tax rate will not be affect any sales, purchase, bank or journal transaction already created. Click OK. Then later we will amend the GST correct account and paid account later in our balance sheet. If you have any integration with the tax authorities like VAT department, you have to be create a VAT department separately, integrated to the tax authority. Then click OK. Now look at here, VAT account already created under the rate of 18%. Close this application. Again, now we are in the main window. Do not be open the unnecessary windows. Close if you complete the task, close the sub window. Otherwise you are confused. Again, click again account list. Account list. Select equipment sales. Account list. Equipment sales. Click on edit. Because of that, we have to be set on our VAT tax. Click on here down arrow. Select now value added tax 18%. Value added tax. The separate window will open. Then use this tax code. You get here now correctly integrated to the VAT account. Click OK. Complete this detail account. Next, cricket lesson income. New account. Right, continue with me. Detail account postable. Under the income section for 1,200. This account code will be designed by you. No matter either you use by this 1,200 no different codes. Click tab. Cricket lesson income. Cricket lesson income. Now integrated with the value added tax. VAT liable for this income. Here active account, and also look at this here important unlinked account. Unlinked account, not integrated with the any other account. Okay. Create the cricket lesson income.
Sir, can you share your screen?
Already shared, no?
No, your face only we can see it.
Oh, wait. Already shared now. In first, we'll see.
The screen is not shared.
Now you get here. In first, now you can see the
Now
screen.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Now okay, sir. Now it's
Okay.
yeah.
Next one, fourth account. 1,300 ground fees income. In the down, new detail account postable income account ID 1,300. Account name ground fees income. Ground fees income. Link with value added tax. Here, value added tax. Now already we edited on the GST account to value added tax. Okay. Ground fees income. Next one. New $1,400. Repair fees income. Unlink account. Okay. Last one. 1,500 for equipment higher income. Equipment higher income. Right? Okay. Now all the income item completed by the income statement. These are the revenues, incomes under the cricket income. No integrated account, no link account. Detailed account and header account. Is it okay? Right. Turn to the next section. Cost of sales and service. Cost of sales and service. Click cost of sales, header account, cost of sale. Change here cost of sales and service. Edit. Change the name, cost of sales and service. subtotal. Okay. Edit the header. Edit it. Next. 1,000 cost of goods. 1,000 cost of goods. NT mean not non-tax, non-tax, not reportable, not reportable. This is the header account or detail account. Header account, change here header account, and select getting on subtotal. Header account. Okay. Cost of sales and service, cost of goods. Under that, okay, we will create another header account. I'll show you 5,000 under 2,000 cost of sales, cost of service. Another header account. Cost of sales 2,000. Cost of service cost of service. Header account subtotal. Two header account in this section, cost of sales. Okay. Look at here. Two header account, 1,000 and 2,000. Right. Then under the cost of goods, there's a three account. Cost of goods sold, stock loss account, and freight invert account. Create the sub account, new, cost of sale 1,100. Sorry, 1,100. New account for cost of goods sold. Detail account not reportable on tax. Okay. Now look at it. Under the cost of goods sold, set the cost of goods sold account. Second, new 1,200. Stock loss. Stock losses. Stock losses. Okay. Right? Third one.
Again, we cannot see the screen.
Yes, because of the internet issues in past. Wait 1 minute. And is there any issues? Tell me. Continue. Yes, remote. Yes, that ladder. Yeah, you complete. Because of the two person are using same camera type. Anyone log out from the system just now? If you get your screen, Right. Hello, fast.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you see the screen here?
Still no.
Still?
No, still no. Still we could not able to see it.
We'll see again. Now okay?
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Because of the internet issues, huh? Right. Click again, account list, income, complete and cost of sales. In the last one, freight inwards, click on new, 1300, freight inward. In the freight inwards account, liable for VAT. Select on your value added tax. Value added tax. Use tax code. Get here, freight inwards, liable on VAT. Okay. Under the cost of service, cost of material, new account, under the cost of service, 2,100. Cost of material, not liable, not reportable. Okay. Now complete the cost of sales section. Cost of sales section. Alright, now expense section, expense, in the expenses, two accounts are there. Look at your first one, header account, okay. Salaries and wages. Turn to the next page. Page number 2, tutorial. Under the wage and employment income, wage and employment income, 5,130. Wages and salaries. Okay? Click on edit, wages and salary accounts. Link for wages expenses. keep this account 5,130. Change the account code 5,130. Only I edit the account number. Do not be integrated with the header account in the link account. Okay. 5,130. Okay. Employment expenses. Edit account number. The last account in the wage and employment. 5,150. Other employment expenses. Put the other employment expenses. Not reportable. Got this point? Only I edit the few detail here, account ID and add the other employment expense. Link account. Carefully you handle the link account. Okay. Okay. Turn to the page number 1. Page number 1. Now we will create the first header accounts, all header accounts. Then easy to insert the detail account. Look at here, first header, financial expenses. Under the new section, new category number 6,000. Financial expenses. Financial expenses. Header account. Get the subtotal. Subtotal. Okay. First header account. Second header account. Is it okay? In the first one, new 3,000. General expenses. If you design your P&L differently, like first start from the general and administration expenses, then selling and distribution, then financial. Okay, no issues. Header account. Get on subtotal. Ola header account. Okay. Two header account. Third, new Operating expenses 4,000. Operating expenses. Third header account. Generating on subtotal. Getting on subtotal. Okay. Create the three header account. Under the operating expenses, another sub header is there. 4,150. We'll create this one also. 4,150. 4150. Depreciation and amortization. Depreciation and amortization. Header account. Subtotal for all depreciation and amortization. Student, look at it. Now under the operating expenses, level 1, level 2, third level create a subtotal. Right, now look at this my screen, everyone. Here, wages and employment expenses goes to the next level, no? Next level, not in the second level, in the level number 3. Understood? It's a third level account, but in this my accounting tree, wage and salaries are in the second level. How I change the position, the location on this second level account to third level? Select this required account. Here option called up and down option. Now I select down option. Now look at here. This second level accounts goes to the third. Again, last one. Click on again down. Third level. Got this point? Okay. Up and down option. To start it. Up again. If you want to get on up means right. Select on your up option. Again in down option. If you want further down, click on down again. Okay, again down. In the fourth level, got this point? Up and down option. Right, study it at your free time. Next, turn to the next page. Last header account in the expenses 5,100. Wages and employment expenses. Do not be integrated with the link account with the header. Got this my point? Because of that, in the tutorial having employment expenses. Unfortunately, some students are integrated and actually changed by this link account to the header account. Then all the accounts will be going on wrong. New account header wages and employment expenses. Header account and get the subtotal. Okay. Now further you can drill down. Drill down means send to the down. Click on down option. Here also down option. Right now, perfectly design my header account. All headers are okay. Now you have to fill the balance ledger account inside or under this financial, under the general, likewise. Right. Start your work. Any question on my online student? In class?
No, sir. No, sir. Fine.
Okay. Thank you. And Hadaban Goda? You are in the class, Hadaban Goda? Okay, we'll see. Right. Others? Complete this financial expenses by turning on the page number 1. An example, bad and doubtful debts. First I create the first account. Okay. Under the category 6, 1100. Do not be confused with this 1100 with the income, because of the here 6, category number 6. Got this point? Section number 6, expenses 1100. Bad and doubtful debt. Or not reportable. Detail account. Now all are in detail. Okay. Now you look at here under the financial, bad and doubtful debtors are there. Right. Create the balance account by you. Any issues? Now I'll come to your place. Yes. Then select and click to update. You can modify. If any modification in here as required by you, but already in Chatu was saying that this wage and employment income expenses should be come under the align with here. Then what you need to do? Go select on this account, click on up option. Now okay, got this point. Likewise, you can edit and you can modify it in this detail. Do not be copying, because of that you copy and paste, you will be get on the punishment at the examination. Because of that you are not getting on the soft copy and the paper. Practice to hide the detail. Examination, we will provide the hard copy. Because of that, we uploaded the tutorial to take on the photocopies of it out. Because practice that is powerful. Exam you may be in trouble. Practical question will be copy-paste study copy-paste exam practical copy-paste questions then you get copy and paste. Practicing questions. Screen देखा तो screen देखा कौन सा done by the original line. Again turn to new option. Yes, sir. Yes. In the key software, will provide the maximum number of characters you can type to the spaces. From the characters, you have to be managing your account name. Do not be hurry. The slowly you develop your account list. Do not be practice to use the copy and paste. And this question, the other question can. If I given a chance to you, that was copy and paste. Now copy and paste, okay, don't do. You are a person. You are a person to take the examination.